Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a fantastic day, evening, night, whatever time it is you're watching this. Today I'm going to be making a little bit of stew chicken gizzards. I have here 1 pound of chicken gizzards, been cleaned up and washed in some lemon and vinegar and lime juice. And then over here I have some bell peppers, onions, garlic, fresh thyme, tomatoes, and green onions. I have some carrots here, and I have all my dry seasonings here, which includes salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dry thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and Sazon seasoning. And then I have my browning mix here, so I'm going to get ready to season this up, okay? Okay, so in here I'm going to put all the dry seasonings. I'm going to put a pinch of the browning mix in here. This one not coming down. Okay, I had to open a new one. And one of the seasonings I missed to tell you that was in there is some chicken seasoning, of course. Alright, so let's mix this all up. Okay guys, this is what the seasoned gizzards look like. Okay guys, so here in the pot here I have some oil heating. I'm gonna add my garlic to it. And some of the onions. Saute this about a minute. Let's get our seasoned gizzards in here. I'm gonna cook it like this for about 10 minutes or so without any liquid while continuously stirring. So I told you 10 minutes. I have actually been cooking it like this for about 20 minutes without adding any additional liquid. And so now I'm going to add some water. Of course, it's going to be hot water. First, I'm pouring it in the bowl that the chicken was seasoned in. About a cup of hot water. Okay. I'm going to slowly cook that down, and I'll see you back when it's time to add some more liquid in the remaining seasoning. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes since I put the hot water in and hold it up. So it's cooked down. I have also added fresh squeezed lemon juice from half a lemon in here. So I'm going to put another cup of hot water in here because I tested it with a fork as far as the softness of the gizzard. So I'm pouring, actually I'm going to pour 2 cups of hot water in here. And I'll see you back in about 30 minutes. Okie dokie, so I'm back after the 2 cups of water, and here we are. I'm going to add my seasonings in now. As well as my carrots. And let's add some more of this hot water. So I'm adding another 2 cups of hot water. And I'm going to add a pinch of ketchup. Okay, so I added about 3 tablespoons of ketchup in here. And we're going to let this finish cooking by tenderizing those carrots and getting a nice gravy here. Okay guys, here we go. Gizzards are just about done. Here you go. Guys, I want to thank you so much for visiting my channel, for watching my video or videos. Thank you for your support. If you have not already done so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Again, I want to thank you. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. God bless.